tons per day batch type refinery machine. We're gonna show you about every step. First is a two refining tank. It's for degumming and deacidification. For degumming, we can add P acid or hot water to remove the gums. For deacidification, we will add alkali liquor to neutralize with the acid and generate soap stock. Then open the bottom valve to release the soap stock. And the third step is decolorization. We also call it bleaching. Is to add wet clay to absorb the color in the crude oil. After decolorization, the decolorized oil will go to the evaporating filter to remove the waste wet clay. And the final step is deodorization. It is to take away the bad smell in the crude oil. And this one is a steam generator. Because for the refinery, it needs heating, so we will equip with a heat-conductive oil stove together with the steam generator to provide heating for the whole system. This refinery plant can be used to process various kinds of crude oil, like crude palm oil, soybean oil, peanut oil, sunflower oil. If you have the requirement for this oil refinery plant, please contact us. Thank you.